Alright, so as you can see, the car is a little filthy right now. I literally just washed it not too long ago, but the weather has been, you know, not on my side as of late, and neither have the goddamn birds. You know, I'm gonna come out here with my damn BB gun, you know what I'm saying? They lucky I like animals, or else they would have been gone by now. But anyways, the car is filthy and the engine bay is filthy. I've got several requests to do a video on how to clean an engine bay, and I am in no way, shape, or form, like I always tell you guys, an expert at this. This is just gonna be a nice, quick, easy way to do this. I don't really go all out. I'm not gonna be freaking super detailing this. It's gonna look good, but it's gonna be the quick, easy way to do this. Literally will probably take me, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how I want to do it. You know what I'm saying? But you can see, very filthy. Very, very filthy. It's been a little while since I cleaned the engine bay, so we're about to do that. If that's something you guys are interested in, stick around. We ain't gonna waste no time. We're about to get right to it. Let's go. All right, so depending how crazy you want to go with it, you really only need a few things. If you're trying to go real crazy, you could have several different brushes. You know, you could have several different sprays. I got one brush, I got one spray, and I got one hose. You feel me? That's all I need. Unless you're trying to go super crazy and really like super detailed on this detail, you don't really need all that extra stuff. I got some degreaser right here, and I got a brush along with the hose, and you know, some towels to dry everything down. That's all I'm gonna be using. All right, so the top of my hood, or like the underside of my hood, actually has a cover on it, so we're not gonna be cleaning that. If yours doesn't have a cover on it, then obviously you could get all that as well. I'll probably just touch this up a little bit. I don't really need to spray it. Basically what you wanna do is just start spraying everything. Let it cool down, make sure it ain't, you know, too hot when you start doing this. Get a good amount on there, and this is basically gonna do all the work for you. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna break down all that grease, all that dirt, all that grime, and by the time you come around with the hose, it should just come right off. So go as crazy as you want on the degreaser. I don't need too much, so I think I'm good with that. A couple more sprays, let that sit for a little bit. Come in here with the brush, you know what I'm saying? Just brush some of that stuff off. And if you have like different brushes, that's always good too, you know, to get up in the little crevices and all that. This is the only brush that I could find right now. I don't know what happened to the other brushes, so I'm gonna use what I got. Just get in all these little spots, you know what I'm saying? Make sure not to mess with any of these little electrical parts. Don't get too crazy around those areas, because you don't want to knock something loose and, you know, end up damaging something. Everything on newer vehicles should be pretty safe, you know, to spray stuff and to use the hose under here. But just be mindful if you got an older vehicle. I don't really know how those are set up. All right, so I think that's good enough. Turn this hose on. Get to work. Go up under there, spray everything off. Probably could have let it cool down a little more, but it is what it is. So boom, there it is, guys. That's the finished product right there. As you can see, I mean, you can tell the difference. Ain't no more dust, no more dirt, no more grime on there. We ain't trying to go all out and, you know, have all the brushes and have all the sprays and, you know, be here for too long. I just wanted to hit it real quick, get in, get out, do what I gotta do, and go on about my day. But like I said, there's that other way of doing it as well if you want to be even quicker about it. I got it looking presentable. That was my goal with it. So I would say that this was a success. I don't know, you guys tell me. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know if I missed anything or anything that you guys would do differently. Obviously, I had to clean the whole vehicle, which I'll show you guys. I know some of y'all like to watch the whole little detailing videos. I got a quick little video on it after we roll the credits, so if y'all want to see that, stick around. As far as this goes, we're all done. If you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. All links for anything you guys might need are down below in the description. The 1391 merch and apparel, you know we got that for you. The gaming channel, if that's something you guys are interested in. Everything I use and recommend on the channel, all linked down below. The social platforms, everything. But until the next time, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.